Welcome to the 6th tutorial on living the Christian life. We will look at the future of the Christian church, Christianity in the UK, missionary work and evangelistic work. Christianity has more followers than any other religion, and Pentecostalism is one of the fastest growing denominations. The numbers of Christians around the world is growing, and the biggest increase is in Africa. There is also growth in Asia and the Middle East, particularly in Nepal, China and Saudi Arabia. This is largely down to the work of missionaries, who are people who preach and invite people to convert to Christianity. Just 64% of UK residents say they are Christian, with the number of local churchgoers falling rapidly. Anglican, Methodist and Catholic churches have closed in large numbers. In contrast, Pentecostal and evangelical churches have been increasing. The first missionaries were the original followers of Jesus who obeyed his command. With the help of the Holy Spirit, the followers were commanded to preach the gospel to all creation. Can you remember the purposes of missionary work? A mission is sending individuals or groups to a country to spread the Christian message. There are several purposes of missionary work, including inviting non-Christians to convert to Christianity, spreading the teachings of Jesus, establishing churches, setting up and running schools and colleges, translating the Bible into every language, providing sanitation and clean water, and setting up and staffing hospitals and medical centers. Many Christians feel the responsibility to tell others about their faith. Most Christian countries send missionaries abroad, but they also receive them from elsewhere. However, some people criticize missionary work abroad because they might only spread Western values, they can infect the local population with foreign germs and diseases, they have caused conflicts and even wars in the past, and could be accused of using natural disasters as an opportunity to convert those who are suffering. Evangelism is preaching the gospel in order to attract new believers. Missionary work involves evangelism. Evangelists are often missionaries, but they might be skilled in preaching to large numbers in their own country. Evangelists are inspired by teachings from the Bible to speak clearly, fearlessly, and believe they are following a calling from God. Modern evangelists can be very public figures. They may use TV, like the God Channel, the radio, the internet, social media or music to communicate their message. However, for many Christians today, evangelism happens naturally through conversation. Churches enable evangelism in a relaxed format through Alpha. It is used as a way to introduce people to Christianity. Evangelistic work is important for the church as a whole and for individual Christians. It enables Christians to obey the Great Commission of Jesus, which was his command to spread Christianity to others. It encourages Christians to tell other people about their faith. It can help the poor and suffering to have hope. It can occur alongside improvements to education and healthcare. It keeps the Christian message alive and relevant to life today. It also brings many new Christians to the church. In the exam you might be asked to outline 3 purposes of Christian missionary work, explain 2 reasons why evangelism is important to Christians, or argue for and against whether all Christians should take part in evangelism. In summary, Christian church membership is growing globally, but is falling in the UK. Missionary and evangelical work preaches the Christian faith and invites people to convert to Christianity. Missionaries also help the needy.